Welcome to the cooking channel. I've been cooking a very good beer. Okay, let's go. Today the recipe is hen shell. Let's begin. First of all, we are going to remove the iron, the piece, and the uracil. Let's go. Next step, remove the iron piece. This is the hardest part. We're removing the iron piece.
I want it myself. I can do it myself.
This is the equipment you will use. A protector.
Oh no.
A protector. Ah, yes. Once you got the iron out, it should look exactly like this. After the removing of the iron piece, you toss it all the way in the trash. Now, this here is a species of the sand pencil. What you should do is cut the line right here, straight down. Let's go. Keep doing this until you think it's good.
Some pieces. How's it going?
Now, did you serve Iron Man the drink?
I gave him water.
Good. Now, as you can see, after you've been doing like this and scraping, it should look exactly like this. Yes, lines everywhere. Now, you shall now put this, stab down, and once you have here the, like that, and like this, you see this? I have stabbed it right through. That means it's good. This thing is ripe in the fresh.
Now open.
Now, there, as you can see, we have created line.
Where?
Right here. You see this? Here is the inside part. This is the bone. You do not eat the bone. Yeah, there. Now you get into the hand movement. You get into the hand movement here, and you try. Did you have? There we go. Like that. Oh, that's a good piece right there. This is a good piece. Now you see. Hey. Okay, looks like the Napoleon wants you to do this. Very good. Very good. Now, you see this piece here? Do not throw the bones away.
Ow.
Oh my goodness. Now, once you get the much here, you see this here, the wood pieces in here, it cannot have any of this inside. But do not throw this away. These are very good seasoning for it all. Now you see this. Get all the extra meat out. Now, at this part, you need to get all of this chalk out. The chalk, see?
No, it's easy.
The seasoned bones out. The seasoned. Now, this part, you will get the bones out of this pencil. What you should do is you should get here. Right, and now you should get this here. Now here's a fun part here. You turn it over this way, and then you can stay right here. They're pouring it down out of the way. Now, watch this, everyone. Stab her anywhere you want. 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's cracked.
Cracked.
Can I pull?
No, you not yet. Before you shall pull. Now you shall pull. There. Now, separate the bone. Separate the bone. Separate the bone. Oh, this one. And now, you get all the... Thank you, VAPOREON. Get all the bone and put it in a separate piece of paper.
Oh, 100.
Yes, 100. Now, it is in separated a piece of the paper. You will get hard thing and mash it up like the mashed potato. Get it like this. Feel what it is, and then.
Ow.
You deserve that VAPOREON. I told you not to get it in the way. Ah! How dare you disturb me? So now, let's check if it's good though.
Can I try?
No, these are seasoning. Ah! The real result. After 1,000 smashes. There we go. Good seasoning. It will also stain your hand if you are not careful. So now we're gonna put this aside.
I wipe out it.
We're gonna put this aside. I might as well not bring you in with VAPOREON. Put this aside. And so now we shall get some frying pan to fry the fish. You said I get all these?
I have rice cooker. Will that work?
Sure, why not? Oh. Where's it now? Puts it into the rice cooker. This will magically heat up and cook the food. Let's put it on meter. High God.
20 minutes later.
Let the VAPOREON get out of here. This should be ready. Top it off, we shall add the seasoning.
It's hot.
When I wake up, well, I'm outnumbered, you see, but I like my house styled like a magazine. I keep method, sitting by the kitchen sink. Sustainability help me make it through their teens.
In my workspace, well, I like to use good things, you know, plant derived.
Service to Adam and VAPOREON.
He left.
What?
Yeah.
Who's gonna eat all this meal?
Me.
Or I'll eat it too. Now fun! Sorry for the inconvenience. Now we are going to try big fish with some salt on it. And now, You get ready for this, VAPOREON. Here comes the belt. Get back and stop running. Sit down. Sit down. All right, now stop 101. And now you stay right there. Alright. Hope you did under your lesson, VAPOREON. You do not do that when I'm eating good meal. Alright, back to good meal. Alright, there's good food here. Oh, VAPOREON! There's food. Yes. Let's go and eat it here. Dippity dip. Carrot juice on it. Dip again. Salt. And eat. Itadakimasu. Oh, so good. Now, I'll finish the rest of my meal. Be back in a minute. Oh, thank you for the meal. The meal tastes very good. This I shall give 100. Very good.